Oh, hi. Reading good books lately? Yeah, I've got one that I am loving. I mean, this is one of my favorite books. I carry it with me. It's kind of like my Bible. It's called Russell Brunson's Expert Secrets. And if you'd like to know how I actually made $2,400 in my sleep just one night, I followed his techniques. Hey everybody, I'm Forbes Riley, and perhaps you've seen me hosting infomercials on TV. I've done the Jacqueline Juicer, Montel Williams Blender, George Foreman Grill, and of course, oh wait, there it is. There's my spin gym. And actually, I love products and gadgets. I also like not only making me money, but I like making you money. So I love this so much that I've actually learned something. I've been trading my time for money, and that's not a good thing because you only have so much time in life. What Russell has taught me is there's techniques, especially being online, and systems for you to make money while you sleep. Yeah, he's a pretty clever guy. And here's what he's made an offer for me and you. He's going to take this book, which I just love, and make it available to you completely for free. Now, why would he do that? Well, I'll tell you what. He's got a lot of techniques in here where you want to train with him and get to know more. So he figures if you give this away for free, you get people to make money and get successful, you want to know more from him. He's pretty clever. So I'm going to ask you to pick a copy of this up. Go to www.forbesfriends.com and get your free copy. He only makes these limited, for a limited amount of time. Once he sells out, he stops for a while. So if you're watching this message, I advise you right now to go to forbesfriends.com and get your copy. I'm going to go back to reading mine. Where was I? Page 208. Yeah. Oh, right. Okay.